Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm using the Morphe X James Charles palette and I'm creating this look that you see right now, and I'm gonna just basically give you my overview on what I think of it. So let's get started. So first off, excuse the fact that my hair is this big. I'm very excited. I'm gonna start. I have no idea where this is gonna go. I've never even used bright colors like this before, so let's see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so to start out, I'm gonna take this color down here, which is called Escape, and it's a dark purple color, and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid from here to here, all around, and then we're gonna move into the blending and everything else. And I'm just gonna pack it all over my lid. It looks like I just got punched in the face. Now I'm taking this very big fluffy brush and I'm just going to try to blend it out as much as I can. Only because we are adding more colors and I don't want them to be really harsh, and I already know that it's going to be really hard for me to blend all of them out, so please don't judge, you know, first timer. Alright, now that that is blended, I'm going to take the color Skip, and it's kind of hard because you have to look at this. Okay, yeah, so the color Skip is this bright pink at the bottom here, and I'm just going to be blending that above the purple a little bit. So I'm going to take this like pointed brush and I'm just going to take Skip and I'm going to try my best here. I don't really know how this is going to go. Okay, so that's what it's looking like not blended. You can tell the difference, so I'm gonna blend and we will go from there. I'm gonna take the exact same brush as before and just try my best to blend it out without mixing them too much, because if I mix them then you're not gonna be able to tell which one's which. So I'm just lightly blending. Okay, how does that look? That looks like pretty blended, not perfect, but it looks good. Okay, so I'm going in with this color here. It's a bright orange, kind of looks yellow, but it's orange, and it is called 518, and I'm going to be taking that on the exact same brush we used before. I'm just going to kind of like get the color off of it, and I'm just going to put that kind of starting here. I don't want a lot of orange just because I feel like that's going to take away from the rest of the look, so I'm just going to move on to the other eye. Okay, now I'm just going to blend. So what you can see so far is that I'm struggling to blend, but that can be fixed easily. I'm going to move on to the next color, which is called Buzz, I believe. No, it's called Bee. but bees do buzz, so I was close. And it's this bright yellow color. I'm gonna just put that literally just layering it on top. It's gonna go right on top of the orange. That's all I'm doing for that color, and I'm just gonna blend everything. Okay, now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna take this pointed concealer brush. I'm going to do like a halo eye. Not really a halo eye, but something similar to it. So give me 1 sec while I do this. I'm going to take this pointy brush again, and I'm going to take Escape, the purple color we put on first, and I'm just going to like pack it on here on the outer corners of the concealer that I just put on, just to kind of put it back there. I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to take the color Hello. It's called Hello. So hello to you too. It is this bright shimmery blue color right there, and I'm going to just put that where the concealer is, and then we're going to blend. I'm gonna blend as much as I can without ruining it. Now I'm just kind of shaping the glittery part a little. I'm gonna take Skip and B, and yeah, I'm gonna put them on my lower lash line here. This pink color first under my eye, if I can, I don't know. I'm just gonna apply some concealer here, just like that, and some here, and try to blend it out. Okay guys, I'm like kind of impressed. I look like I should be in outer space right now, but it's okay. I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'm so dumb. I'm literally putting on the wrong eyelash. Just going to put some mascara on my lashes to kind of blend them, and then I'm going to finish my face and show you guys the final product. And I'm going to talk about the palette a little bit more, tell you guys my opinions on it. So I'm going to take the Makeup Forever black eye pencil and just try to blend the lashes in with my waterline. This is like really scary. I always feel like I'm gonna poke my eyeball out. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara to blend my lashes and put them on the bottom lashes. He did a really good job with this, and the colors are super pigmented, super like pretty. Like, I don't think I've ever seen a palette that has nice colors like this. Like, obviously I have a lot of favorites, but I wouldn't say that they have this many varieties of colors. It is honestly really beautiful. I love it. I would recommend it definitely for somebody like me who isn't used to doing bright colors, because it has every color you need to achieve that kind of look. Also, I think that even if you want like a subtle look, it's perfect for that as well. Only complaint that people have said about it that I know of is that apparently the red or like the pink or something stains your eyes. I wouldn't know because I haven't taken it off yet. But, I mean, that's bound to happen when you have really pigmented shadows. Okay, so the rest of the face is done. I'm freaking out because this actually looks so good and I didn't think it was going to. Taking Ring Light, which is a really good name, by the way. I'm going to take Ring Light. It's this sparkly, if you can even see it, this color, champagne-y white. Okay, so I got it in my inner corners. Now I'm just going to put it above my brow as much as I can without disturbing my eyeshadow. Now I'm just gonna apply some clear lip gloss because I don't want to do anything super bold just because the eyes are already bold. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I honestly love it. Like, I didn't think I'd be able to do this, but I guess I did, and it's super crazy. Probably would never go out looking like this, but I do love the way the shadows just are. They're so perfect. The colors are amazing. Like, I can't get over it. So if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment suggestions for future videos down below, and subscribe for more. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!